Monaco, a name that conjures images of pure luxury, billionaires' super yachts, the world's most famous casino, and the Formula One Grand Prix tearing through its streets. It's a place so glamorous it can feel more like a movie set than a country. This is the Monaco we see on postcards, the one we all think we know, but honestly, that's just the surface. What if I told you the real Monaco isn't found in the casinos or designer boutiques? That beyond all the glitz, there's a secret Monaco, one full of hidden gardens, historic paths, and incredible food that most visitors completely miss. Today, we're leaving the crowds behind to go find it. I'm going to show you a side of this country that will completely change the way you see it. First up, we're skipping the Michelin stars and heading straight for the true heart of Monaco, the Condamine Market. This is where you'll find actual Monegasque locals shopping, catching up with friends, and grabbing a bite to eat. The air is filled with the smell of fresh flowers, local produce, and some of the best food in the principality. Forget caviar for a second and get ready for Socca, a crispy, savory pancake made from chickpea flour, or Barbajuans, these incredible little fried pastries filled with chard and ricotta cheese. This is the authentic taste of Monaco. Now, a quick heads up. The main market hall closed in January 2026 for a 13-month renovation. But don't worry, all the vendors have been temporarily moved right outside into the surrounding Place d'Armes, so you won't miss a thing. Eating a fresh socca here, surrounded by the buzz of daily life, is an experience no luxury hotel can sell you. Next, we're climbing Le Rocher, or The Rock, where the Prince's Palace stands. But we're not just here to see the changing of the guard. We're escaping into the Jardin Saint-Martin. These were Monaco's very first public gardens, opened back in 1816 with a surprising story. They were created to provide work for the locals during a terrible famine. Today, they are a peaceful maze of paths that cling right to the side of the cliff, offering the most breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. You'll see locals relaxing on benches, surrounded by sculptures and beautiful Mediterranean plants. It's a quiet, historic escape, a world away from the crowds below. While we're still on the rock, we're going to dive even deeper into the past by visiting two spots most tourists walk right by. First is the Chapelle de la Miséricorde, a stunning little Baroque chapel built all the way back in 1639. It's a quiet, peaceful space that tells a story of Monaco's deep spiritual roots, long before the first casino was ever built. A short walk from there is the Musée du Vieux Monaco, the Museum of Old Monaco. This place is a real treasure chest of the Principality's heritage. It isn't about royal jewels. It's about the daily lives of the Monegasque people. You'll see traditional furniture, old costumes, and cultural objects that shape this nation's identity. It's a powerful reminder that before all the glamour, Monaco was a tight-knit community with a rich culture. Best of all, visits are free on Wednesdays and Fridays from June through September. Let's head back down from the rock to find a little piece of Japan right here on the Riviera. Near the modern Grimaldi Forum is the Japanese Garden, a 7,000 square meter oasis of pure tranquility. It was a passion project of Prince Rainier III and Princess Grace, and entry is completely free. Stepping inside feels like you've been transported. With its perfect koi ponds, stone lanterns, and a traditional tea house, it's a beautiful place for quiet reflection. It's such a stunning contrast to the high-energy city around it, and proof of just how surprisingly diverse Monaco can be. Our final stop might be my favorite, a true hidden gem that blends history, culture, and spectacular views. This is the Théâtre du Fort Antoine, an 18th century fortress that's been transformed into a magical open-air amphitheater. While you can easily spot the old fort, most people have no idea that during the summer, it comes alive with free concerts and plays right under the stars. Climbing up here as the sun sets, with the whole sea stretching out in front of you, is an experience you will never forget. It perfectly captures the spirit of the real Monaco, a place where nature, history, and culture all come together in the most beautiful and unexpected ways. So, there it is. From savory snacks at the local market to a secret theater in an old fortress, we've discovered a Monaco that has nothing to do with Ferraris and everything to do with soul. This is a country with deep roots, quiet corners, and a vibrant culture just waiting to be explored. So, the next time you think of Monaco, I hope you'll remember there's so much more to it than meets the eye. What do you think? Have you been to any of these spots, or do you have another hidden gem to share? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey off the beaten path, I'd love for you to subscribe for more adventures that show you a different side of the world. Thanks for watching.